Good morning. Today is Monday, March 21st, 2022. The markets are mixed here this morning following a week in which they rallied very, very well. So before we dive into what happened last week, I've got a couple of things here for you. Number one, last week was our capital markets update and outlook call for the month of March. If you missed this call, if you missed this call, the recording is now available on our website. This is your opportunity, of course, to kind of look over our shoulder, see what we're seeing in the markets and the economy, and for you to kind of find out what we think is ahead, what's coming up. Again, the recording is now available on our website, as well as a nice summary of the call if you are a little bit shorter on time. This week, Thursday night, we have another client appreciation event. This time we've been able to get CNBC senior analyst and commentator Ron Insana to join us. Ron continues to be a voice of economic reason. During his message, he'll help us take a look at current events through the lens of economic history. This is a very special event that you cannot get anywhere else, so we do hope that you take full advantage of it. For details and to RSVP, please also visit our website. You just go to the events page. With that, I will go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. So with the Fed embarking on a new course of monetary tightening amid continuing fighting in Ukraine, stocks staged a powerful, broad-based rally last week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average jumped 5.49%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 gained 6.16%. The NASDAQ Composite Index soared 8.18% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, advanced 5.17%. After surrendering gains on Monday, stocks surged higher for 4 consecutive days. The rally was propelled by strong economic data, the outcome of last week's Federal Open Market Committee meeting, and reports that Russia made interest payments on its sovereign debt, avoiding technical default. The uptrend began with a drop in oil prices and a lighter than expected wholesale inflation report. Stock prices initially buckled following Wednesday's hawkish FOMC announcement, but turned higher as investors interpreted the Fed's news as a welcome plan to combat inflation. Stocks extended their gains into the final 2 trading sessions, cementing their best weekly performance since November of 2020. For the first time since 2018, the Federal Reserve hiked the federal funds rate, increasing it by 0.25% and signaling that it expected to raise rates at a faster pace than originally outlined in December. Based on its projections of future Fed fund rates, the Fed may implement 7 quarter-point rate hikes this year and another 3 to 4 next year. In a statement following the FOMC meeting, Fed officials expressed rising concerns over inflationary pressures made more acute by the war in Ukraine. Members also indicated that they would soon announce a plan to reduce the Fed's $9 trillion balance sheet. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end here this morning. I've got another riddle for you. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then I'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. Sound good? All right, so today's riddle is: 2 lawyers sit at opposite ends of a large conference table. Nothing is in between them but the table. Yet they don't see each other. How is this possible? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and I will send you a gift card for coffee on us. And if you would like the answers to all the previous riddles, you can now visit www.investwithccg.com/riddles, and we've got the answers there waiting for you. Lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update and links to last week's capital markets update call, as well as this week's event with Ron and Sana. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, of course, you may subscribe at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.